Okay, this is my presentation. It is about the Dracula parrot. Okay, so Dracula parrot is quite an interesting bird. Its scientific name is the Piscites parrot or the Pistrichus phalludes, and it is native to the rainforests of New Guinea. And it is endangered. It faces endangerment due to various threats that we'll go over throughout the presentation. So here's a little video.
Hi, my name is Caden. I'm a bird keeper here at Toledo Zoo, and today we're here with Koki, the Pasquet's parrot. So this bird in particular will be going out for a breeding program. That's a big part of what we do here is maintaining species, make sure that they have the best possible scenario for breeding. So these birds are native to Papua New Guinea, and they're also nicknamed the Dracula parrot because they have that red and black coloring, looking like Count Dracula. So when I feed her in the morning, I need to gather my food plates and put the food on. Diet consists of mainly we give them Zoo Life pellets, which is a low iron diet pellet, and then also we'll throw in seed and other rotational fruits and vegetables throughout the day, like a sweet potato or corn. So we give them nectar, set up a pitcher, and I put the powder in the pitcher, and then we fill it with cold water and give that to them. That's the main part of their diet. These birds are the only member of its genus. These birds are vulnerable, so it's that much more important that we do send out to other countries that might have more excess males so that they can continue their SSP. While exports and imports are difficult, it's very fortunate that we get to collaborate with different zoos across the world. I like working with these birds because she's very personable, come to work and like see a bird that enjoys you being here and you have that kind of company. So it's just been a pleasure working with these birds. While these birds are leaving soon, we have lots of other species that you can come and see in the aviary.
So yeah, pretty cool. Next slide.
Hi, my name's Caden. I'm a bird.
Okay, the appearance. The appearance is definitely very unique. Obviously, it gets its name from Dracula the vampire because of the red-black color scheme. They have a black bald head that has black feathers on it, or like black hairs. They have bright red bellies, dark black feathers, and flashes of fiery red beneath the wings. And they're also sexually dimorphic, so the males tend to be larger and more vibrant. For the lifestyle and behavior, dietary needs and preferences, they are predominantly frugivorous, which means they are fruit-eating birds. They feast on figs and other assorted fruits. Their unique bill structure allows for seed extraction, which they obtain nutrients from. And their calls are also quite interesting. They emit a very loud and intimidating call, very mysterious sounding, and it echoes throughout the forest canopy. So yeah, they're quite the intimidating sounding bird. Habitat and threats. So the natural habitat is in montane and lowland rainforests in New Guinea, which is just north of Australia. They thrive amidst the canopy's coverage, and they are highly adapted to their warm climate. Threats include habitat loss and fragmentation, which means them getting separated from one another or getting split off into groups in smaller areas due to deforestation. Logging, agriculture, and mining are also big problems. Another big issue that they face is they are sought after as pets, and they are sought after in the medical realm, especially in Chinese medicine, for their feathers, their colors, and their beaks. And these are all dangerous to their survival as a species as a whole. So, threats to survival. This is, here we go. Okay, so this is a little bit more of it, like what threatens their survival. Constricted range from deforestation is a big problem. The more deforestation there is, the smaller areas they have to live in, which is not good for them. Also, the deforestation in agricultural things they do and mining has an impact on their resources that they have available to them. And since the areas they live in are getting shrunk, there is a heightened predator. There's a lot more predators in their area now, so, and more competition. they are captured for exotic pet trades, and they are also coveted for their feathers. Conservation efforts. Conservation efforts for the Dracula parrot include establishment of protected areas. Also, there's groups that try and combat the illegal activities like logging and mining and poaching. Community-based initiatives are always good, and there's many of these for this bird and many other species for habitat restoration. And education and awareness campaigns help people understand just how important it is to keep species around. The outlook on the Dracula parrot's future, this is just something I came up with, what I think and from what I saw from reading. The Dracula parrots definitely deserve a chance at success and life because they're a very cool bird. I've never seen anything that looks like this, so yeah, they look pretty cool. And they definitely deserve a chance, so. Hopefully all the different conservation efforts will pull them together or bring them back from their vulnerable status or endangered status, I should say. And in the end, a lot of people are hopeful that all these new techniques they're using to bring species back are going to be useful for this species. So, yep. And that's it. That's the presentation on the